Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For today look, it's gonna be a freaking awesome. Anyway, I already start with my eyebrows on and my eye base. And I'm gonna start with my e.l.f. powder contour palette in light, and I'm gonna use this shade light brown. Put it to my crease just to build up the crease shades. And then after that, I'm gonna take the darker shade and also put that to my crease. Just keep blending, and I'm using a fluffy blending brush. And then I'm going to take my Morphe 3502 palette in shade Fire, hence the name of the tutorial. I'm taking a small blending brush, and then we're going to put it to outer my eyes, and then blending in. You have to go like back and forth for this part. And then I'm gonna take the shade Universal and put that to the top of the crease of the first shade that we use. I use. And then of course I'm gonna go back to the shade Fire, and then the third shade, and it'll be Heat. And I'm also going to put that to my outer V crease, the outer portion of my eye. Right? Keep blending to keep the intensity of the shade. Then I'm going to take the fluffy brush to blend everything out, and then I'm going to take the fourth shade in shade Chestnut. In this shade, I'm just gonna put this to my building the shades. Then I'm gonna go back again with the shade Universal to keep everything blended. And then for the cut crease, I'm going to take my m.a.c Select Cover Up Concealer in NW20. I'm going to cut my crease. I'm using a lip brush for this part, or you can use any small brush that you have. I'm actually taking the concealer above my crease instead of my real crease. And then after that, I'm gonna take the shade Heat to blend the concealer and the shadow. And then after that, I'm gonna take again my e.l.f. contour palette in the shade Highlight, and taking a dome brush, I'm gonna pack this shade to the crease that we made. And then after that, I'm gonna take my e.l.f. cream eyeliner in shade Coffee. I don't want to use like black eyeliner because I don't want to compete it with the eyeliner. Just want like a soft eyeliner, so that's why I use a brown liner instead of black. For the face, I'm using my e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. And for my foundation, I'm using my Essence fresh&fit Awake Makeup Foundation in shade Fresh Honey. dirty. I'm double layering the foundation. This is not like a full foundation. It's just like more like a natural one or a light to medium foundation. And then after that, and for my concealer, I'm using my e.l.f. Pro Concealer HD and Natural. And I'm also taking same brand e.l.f. Pro Conceal HD in shade Beautiful in Bronze for my contour. This is actually for the first time I'm using this shade. It's kinda hard for me. It's too dark for my skin tone. Then I'm gonna blend it out with my damp sponge. Then I'm gonna set everything or bake my face with Essence All About Matte Fixing Loose Powder. This is just a translucent white ass powder. And then I'm gonna take for my lower eye portion, I'm gonna take my Morphe 350 palette in shade Universal. I'm gonna blend that really well on my under eye. I'm taking the pencil brush and taking the shade Heat again and taking that very closely to my lower eyelash and really smoke that in also. After that, I'm going to take also the shade Chestnut. We're just doing the same we did to the upper portion of the eyelid, and then do it to the lower portion of our lower lash. And then after that, I'm going to take my fluffy brush to blend everything out. For my cut crease, I want to put like a gold eyeliner, so I'm using an Essence Holiday Gold Eyeliner. I'm gonna contour my nose now. e.l.f. again, the e.l.f. contour powder palette. I'm using the darkest shade and then blending. I'm using an angled brush, and after that I'm going to use a sponge to diffuse the harshness of contour that I did, and then using again another very fluffy clean brush to also clean it even more. And I'm also taking the same shade from the e.l.f. contour palette and doing my bronzer, my contour with it also. And for the blush, I'm taking my BH Cosmetic 10 color blush palette in light. And I'm mixing these two colors and put that to my cheek. And afterward, I'm gonna blend it with a stippling brush because I don't know, I just thought this super intense. I'm gonna take my Essence I Love Extreme Crazy Mascara. And for my waterline, I'm taking my Essence, also from Essence, Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in Silky Nude 06. I'm putting that to my waterline. And for lashes, I'm taking my Pinky Got lashes in style Saja. These lashes are super nice. And then I'm going to take my e.l.f. liquid highlighter. This is my first time using it also, and it's super good. It's actually good on top of powder. It's like melting to it. It's really good. From the e.l.f. contour palette, there's actually a highlight shade, and I'm also going to take that shade to my brow bone and to my inner corner of my eye. Again, another highlighter from the Illuminizer highlighter. The lip liner I'm using is from the Bora Milano lip liner in shade 200. First shade lips that I'm gonna use the Essence Ultra Last Instant Color lipstick in number 13. And then for the inner part of my lips, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. moisturizing lipstick in Razzle Dazzle Red, doing like an ombre kind of thing. To finish it all, I'm gonna use my m.a.c Pick and Prime Fix Plus spray. Spray my face and we're done. So here's just the final result of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial that I did for this look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I'm uploading a new tutorial on makeup tutorial, of course. And don't forget to follow me to my other social media from Twitter, from Instagram. I don't think I'm gonna put my Facebook. Anyway, bye.